Which is right for your business, Formaloo or Typeform? Let's compare pricing, features, and ease of use to help you decide. Formaloo's Form Builder makes it simple to create forms no matter how complex. You can choose to display all questions on a single page or one at a time, depending on your needs. With over 30 field types to pick from, you'll always have the right option for collecting the data you need. The content field lets you add text, images, videos, or other media to provide extra content or instructions for your audience. To save time, you can use the bulk choice feature, which is especially helpful for adding more than 10 options at once. If your form requires signatures, the signature field allows users to sign digitally during the submission process. When it comes to design, you have the flexibility to customize the look and feel of your form to match your branding or preferences. Here's how the form will appear to your users. Now let's compare this to Typeform. Typeform specializes in creating one question at a time forms that feel conversational, guiding users through one query at a time for an interactive experience. It supports a variety of question types, with all data types categorized to streamline question creation and improve data organization. However, if you want to test the platform and you are on a free plan, you're limited to just 10 responses. Some parts of customization options, such as form design and branding, are restricted to paid plans, giving paid users more control over aesthetics and alignment with their brand identity. When it comes to email notifications, Formaloo offers robust options. Notifications can be sent to form respondents, form creators, and their collaborators. Email notification can include a PDF copy of the form submission for easy reference. Both of the email template and its content are fully customizable. You can easily define the email's text, visuals, and overall design, ensuring a consistent and professional look that aligns with your branding. Typeform also offers email notifications, which can be sent to form respondents, creators, and collaborators. However, unlike Formaloo, Typeform does not provide the option to fully customize the email template. The content and visuals of the email are fixed, meaning you cannot define or modify them to suit your brand style. When it comes to logic, Formaloo offers powerful and flexible options. You can set advanced logic and calculations with easy-to-use interface. You can set up conditional logic to send emails based on specific answers, trigger Slack notification, or even redirect users to different links depending on their responses. This level of customization provides a highly tailored experience for both users and form creators. Like Formaloo, Typeform also offers conditional logic features that allow users to create dynamic, interactive forms and surveys. With logic jumps, respondents are guided through personalized paths based on their answers. Likewise, users can also apply question logic to show or hide questions depending on prior responses, use calculators for real-time results, and customize endings or results. With Formaloo, you can easily share forms through multiple channels, including direct links, chatbots, and embedding them on websites. What sets Formaloo apart is its ability to use custom domains, allowing you to share forms under your brand's domain for a fully white-labeled experience. Additionally, Formaloo offers advanced access controls where you can manage permissions for collaborators and restrict form access with password protection. Typeform also provides several form sharing options, including direct links, embedding on websites, and sharing via email. However, it does not offer the same level of flexibility when it comes to branding and customization. While you can share forms under Typeform's domain, it lacks the ability to fully white-label forms with custom domains, which can be a limitation for businesses wanting a branded experience. When comparing the pricing of Formaloo and Typeform, Formaloo stands out as a more cost-effective option. Formaloo offers unlimited forms on its free plan, giving users access to advanced features like logic, email customization, and integrations without restrictions. Its paid plans are highly affordable, providing essential features such as custom domains, PDF generation, e-signatures, even at lower tiers, which Typeform locks behind more expensive plans. Additionally, Formaloo offers a self-hosted enterprise option, allowing businesses to host forms on their own infrastructure for maximum control over data and privacy. Formaloo offers live support, ensuring users can get real-time assistance whenever needed. On the other hand, Typeform's free plan is quite limited, restricting the number of forms and responses, while its paid plans are more expensive and often require upgrades for key features like custom branding. Unlike Formaloo, on their business plan they offer 10K responses and additional ones can be bought, while with Formaloo, on Team's plan you can get 20,000 responses with fraction of the price. Formaloo's pricing structure offers a better value with more features included at lower price points, making it ideal choice for businesses that need flexibility, scalability, branding options without hidden costs or limitations. Choosing between Typeform and Formaloo depends on your needs. While Typeform is good at creating simple, beautiful forms, Formaloo offers more advanced capabilities for complex business requirements. What sets Formaloo apart is advanced reporting and analytics, powerful logic and calculation features, custom business solutions, cost-effective pricing, and easy migration from Typeform. Formaloo maintains the modern, beautiful form design you expect while adding powerful features for growing businesses. Ready to elevate your forms? Switch to Formaloo today and unlock more features, flexibility, and value at a fraction of the price.